Welcome to this video on affirmations. If you're new to affirmations or simply need a refresher, you're in the right place. Affirmations are positive statements that you speak, think, or write to reprogram your mind and focus on what you want to create in your life. They're a powerful tool to help shift your mindset, overcome negative thoughts, and align your actions with your goals. Here's how they work. When you repeat affirmations consistently, they influence your subconscious mind, gradually replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. It's important to phrase your affirmations in the present tense and keep them positive and specific. For example, instead of saying, "I will stop worrying," you can affirm, "I am at peace and trust the process of life." To get the most out of affirmations, find a quiet moment each day to repeat them, visualize their truth, and feel the emotions associated with them. Over time, this practice can create real and lasting change in your thoughts, emotions, and even the circumstances around you.